In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place branded graphics, like frames or lower thirds, right on top of your live stream or recording, and how to toggle them on and off smoothly while you're on air. First, a quick refresher on what an overlay is. An overlay is a graphic that sits above your video feed so your content shows through the transparent parts. Think of it as a frame, a title bar, or a branded corner badge that enhances your stream without covering up what matters. Make sure your overlay is saved as a transparent PNG or GIF. If it's not transparent, it will block your video instead of framing it. It also helps to keep file sizes reasonable and name your files clearly so you can find them fast. Let's set it up. Open StreamYard in your browser, log in, and start either a new broadcast or a recording. Enter the StreamYard Studio so you can see your camera preview, your scenes, and the control panels. Everything we need to manage overlays lives inside this studio. Now look to the panel on the right side of the screen. Click on Media Assets. This is where StreamYard organizes your visual elements. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Overlays. That's your dedicated space for overlay graphics. Click Upload, or the plus icon, then choose your overlay file. Again, a PNG or GIF with transparency works best. If you're uploading an animated GIF, give it a moment. Larger or animated files may take slightly longer. Wait for the upload to fully finish so it's ready to use. You'll see a thumbnail appear in the Overlays section once it's processed. To show an overlay on screen, simply click its thumbnail. It will appear instantly over your video. If it's a full-frame design, it will wrap around the edges. If it's a lower third, it will sit where you designed it in the graphic. Keep in mind, overlays aren't repositioned inside StreamYard, so build your placement into the image itself for best results. When you want to remove the overlay, click the same thumbnail again to hide it. You can toggle overlays on and off at any point during your broadcast or recording. It's a good idea to practice your timing so transitions feel smooth, because whatever you show here becomes part of the live stream and the final recording. One more tip. You can upload up to 100 overlays per brand folder and switch between them live. Keep them organized, check that your files truly have transparent areas, and match your canvas size, usually 16.9, to avoid unwanted edges. That's all you need to add overlays in StreamYard with confidence.